players' dreams, yeah, you know.
One steamboat, two steamboats, three steamboat.
Why are you counting? What happens at 10? Should we take cover?
Ah, crud nuggets. I had a good feeling about that one. Yeah! 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 I'm gonna roast this one.
Please tell me he's not gonna...
'Cause I'm brilliant, this pillow mutes my butt trumpet.
You need to give Millie back her pillow right now!
Okay, but taking the silencer off my butt cannon puts us all in danger. Uh-oh. This is the one! One steamboat, two steamboats, three steamboats, four steamboats, five steamboats, 47 steamboats, 48 steamboats!
At the elimination ceremony.
Fire in the hole!
It's clear you're both determined and disgusting.
How hard can you fart?
It's working! It's working! It's...
What is that?
I can't. Get out. Oh my god, I gotta do that thing for Nickelodeon. Oh my god.